Hello friends, so I am going to start with the basic of Linux commands. The first command which I am going to start is the ls command, which is used for listing the files. So I have just written some text around it. So listing the file, the basic command used to do that in the Linux is known as ls. So if I want to just list down the number of files in a directory, I will use the ls command. And if you want to list the files on your Unix or Linux command, use the ls command for that. It shows the files and directories in your current working directory. You can give an absolute path, means the absolute path of the directory where you want to list the files. You want to know the files, or you want to list the files in a particular directory. You can give ls command with the path for that directory. Now if I want to recursively, for suppose if I do an ls command and it shows me a directory. So if I just want to list down the number of directories or a file, I can just use ls command for that. Now inside a directory, if I want to see how many files are there inside a directory, I can use ls command with -R. Okay, so if I do this, what it will do is it will go inside each and every directory in the current working directory, and it will go recursively under those directories, and it will try to list the files under each and every of those directories. So it will keep on going recursively until it finds the final directory. Okay, now comes another command for where, let me clear the screen. And if I want to know about the hidden files and long listing of the directory. By long listing, what I mean the attributes of a file and a directory. You might be seeing something written as derx 18 root. What are these? So let me describe it briefly. So I have written it already here. The first column describes about the file type and access permission. So here the first column, this particular tells me what is the file type and what are the permissions on those directories. I will be uploading a separate video on the permissions. So there I will explain what is the directory and what are the permissions on those directories. Now the second column here, it tells me about the hard link to the file. I will also be uploading a separate video for hard links where I will explain what actually hard link means. For this video, I think we should understand what are the different columns listed. Going to the third column, owner and creator of the file. This is the owner of the file. This particular column means the group of the file. The fifth column means the file size. The sixth column means the date and time, and directory and file name. That's the seventh column. So seventh column means the directory and the file name. Dot and double dot are the special files and directories. Dot means the current directory, double dot means the previous directory. Okay, if you want to list down hidden files in a directory, how will you do that? So there is a switch which is used with ls command, that is ls-a, which tells me how many files are there which are hidden. So it not only shows me the hidden files, it shows me all files and directories. Okay, so dot, anything which starts with dot is going to be a hidden file. So it lists actually, let me touch a file and show a, and if I do ls here, see, it will not show this directory although I have created a file name .text. So to list this file I have to use -a switch, and when I use -e switch, it will list me all the files and directories which are starting with dot. These are all files which are called as hidden files. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I will be uploading other videos with more detailed commands and concepts on Linux. Thanks for watching.